welcome back to another video. This week we're actually going to be detailing the Mugen EL. We're going to be ceramic coating it once I'm done washing it with the Chemical Guys Hydro Slick ceramic coating hyper wax. We did it on the spooniest one last year and it was an amazing result. A lot better than the Sonax ones that we used on the Mugen EL last year. So I'm going to start washing the car, and then after that we're going to clean up the engine bay a little bit, and I'm going to be using these Speed Factory titanium fender washer kit, that like same ones that I use on the spooniest one. We're going to be putting them on the Mugen EL. Touch lighter than the traditional ones that we're using, and they look a little bit nicer. So that's going to be today's plan for the day. I'm going to start washing the Mugen EL. So you guys can see, some bird decided to have a field day all over the Mugen EL, and the tree has been pollinating all over the Mugen EL, so it's very dirty. We got beautiful weather. The rest of this week's looking very beautiful, so at least the car will be nice and fresh, so I actually can be enjoying it with the kids while I'm at work. So before we get started, leave a comment, let me know how you guys are liking the videos, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. So we're gonna be tackling that right now. So I had to stop the video the other day because it started getting too hot and it wasn't going to be optimal to do the ceramic coating on the Mugen EL. It's really cool right now, not so much sun. The EL's cleaned. I just finished giving it a wipe down. Yeah, I haven't opened up the garage yet. Jesus, it's so dark there. I'm going to get my applicator pad, and I'm going to be getting the ceramic coat. We're going to start ceramic coating the Mugen EL, get it all nice, and then we're going to be putting the titanium Speed Factory hardware fender washer kit. I'm going to also be doing the valve cover ones on the K-series when we K-swap it. So yeah, that's where we're at. We're going to continue the video from the other day. It's a little bit chilly, so I'll be wearing a sweater. Temperature did drop, so this is perfect to ceramic coat the car. I want to see how shiny we can get the paint. Next week Mugen EL finally goes in for paint, because this is a week later from the continuation. So yeah, we're finally getting it painted, the parts that need to be painted and fixed. So I'm super happy about that. And then I gotta go to Garage 16. Gotta pick up some V-bands for the exhaust. The DC Sports head for the K swap is a V-band already on that style, but on the single cam, I keep smacking the triangular joint, and now we got a little bit of a leak. So I'm just gonna get 2 V-bands for where the cat is, and fix that all up sometime with Mercer. so I'm just gonna go get the parts already. So let's continue. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but if you look where we just hydro slicked it right here and where we left the door alone, you could already see a shine. Obviously there's no sun, so you can't really see it too much, but like I can tell right by looking over there and then looking at the rest of the car, like the silver's popping. So we're gonna tackle it. We're gonna keep tackling it and get this thing shiny as hell, because I do plan on doing the review video for the K-tune suspension today, and I'd like to get some killer shots of the car going through some turns. So let's do this. Alright guys, I just got done pretty much the driver's side. Still got to do the back and the other half of the spoiler, but I want to see if you guys can see a comparison quickly. So that's the hood that's done. All this down the middle has been done, and over here is still pretty much the same. Like it is still shiny, but you can see it's more on the dull side. When you come here, it's more of a glass finish. Like even look at the headlight. This thing is amazing, but it does kick your ass. I remember this being a lot more faster and easier when I had Kevy G's help last summer doing this Wooniest one. So yeah, it's a bit of a nice workout early in the morning, but the result is nice. You guys can see Mugen is shiny on this side, and then we'll go on this side so you guys have a better comparison. Although it is still shiny, but you can see it's more of a dull finish to it. It hasn't brought out the color yet, but that's what we're working on. So back to it. EL is hydro slicked, ceramic coated from Chemical Guys. Sorry, I had a brain fart just now, but it's looking good. I just gotta clean the windows put some tire shine, and the exterior is done, boys. The exterior will be done. It's brought back to silver. Looks like brand fucking new. Looks like brand new. Really love how it looks. Show you guys how the back's popping now. Back's shiny as hell. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. Look at that. That's a nice shine. This actually came out better than the Sonex little bottle that came with the Sonex kit. This came out a lot better. I find even with the Civic it lasted a lot longer, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna last a lot longer as well with the Mugen EL. Like, the sun's starting to poke out right now, and like, dude, guys, this car, it's sick. It's coming out wicked. But everything in moderation, like always. I'm gonna clean the windows now, and then we're gonna tackle the fender washer kit and get that all situated, looking nice, fresh, and yeah, guys, I just got done doing the fender washers. Only had a problem with this one right here. It's stripped, it won't come out. I guess there's a lot of salt residue from the winter that got jammed in there, but Mercer got a tool that he used on our spoon steering wheel bolt that got stuck. So I'm just gonna go visit him. So this one and this one, they're both seized, so just gonna visit him and get that removed and put the other two titanium ones on. Other than that, the titanium complements the silver really well. I wasn't gonna vlog doing it because, you know, you guys already know how to do it. We did it once on the spooniest one, but yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Why is it dark all of a sudden? Focus, focus, there we go. Yeah, so that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video, and catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, peace.